Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Raymore Reviews. I know it's Rush, your discovery boss. So we're here in the Mineralites housing scheme that's in Maypen, Clarendon. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Just click that red subscribe button right now. So pause the video if you have to and click that red subscribe button. Turn it gray. And also turn on your post notification bell so when I do a new upload, you'll definitely be aware. Remember to like the video, leave a comment and share. And if you want to donate to the channel so that we can get better equipment, drone and other stuff, you definitely donate. If you choose, completely optional. We have PayPal and other options as well. So we'll be doing a drive through the Mineralites housing scheme. I know some persons may be familiar with this scheme. For some, they're a bit unfamiliar. Yeah, so we'll just drive through the scheme. The road is a bit bad. Even on the right over there, you may see where they're dumping up some gravel and marl into the hole just to help. So this is a scheme that needs a complete makeover in terms of the road. But let's drive and see what's happening. Hopefully the video is not too shaky. I did a previous video on Longsville Park housing scheme. That video did get a lot of reception. Persons wanted me to do it again and include, I think, phase 2 or phase 3. I didn't do one of the phases, so some person wanted me to come back, so I decided to do this scheme, which is the Mineralites housing scheme, one of the more popular schemes in Maypen. This scheme has been built a long time ago as well. So we see where they're trying to dump up some of the potholes on this main drive. So this is the main drive, and then we're coming up to Sodium Avenue. So most of the roads are named after different minerals and different composites from the earth elements. As you realize, most of this scheme, they have expanded the lots in terms of the building itself. They have built on the existing structures. So a lot of nice houses are in this scheme. You have Mineralites Primary, so school in this scheme, churches, daycare, and a lot of nice houses as well. So a lot of persons have bought the scheme size houses back in the days and have expanded tremendously. So stay with me while we do a little drive around. Yeah. Alright, so this is the Mineralites Primary School, one of the popular primary school in Maypen as well. And as you can see, some nice houses, nice colors. You know, some persons have expanded a lot. Alright, so we'll take this right turn at Gold Avenue just to show you another side, and we'll eventually end the video back out on the front of the scheme. So if you're from Mineralites, if you're from Maypen, if you have ever lived in the mineralized housing scheme. If you're living there right now, just, you know, explode the comment section. Let me know what you think about this scheme as well. I know the road is very bad, we see that. There's some patching, but you know, it's still very bad. But you know, as I said, good quality homes, nice, it's a residential area. And a lot of the, you know, even backside company workers from back then would have probably bought some of these scheme homes and then expanded. So this is Gold Crescent. And then from the backside workers, then other young professionals, teachers, lawyers, doctors in Clarendon would have, you know, invested in this housing scheme as well. But you know, all the streets names are from different minerals, different earth elements, gold, aluminum, silver, you name it. So we're just basically driving around. So as you can see, some of the smaller homes would have been the original structure. I think they call them what, a quad structure, and then persons would build on it. Alright, so this road is quite nice. I guess this one was resurfaced. If only all the roads were like this, that would be really good for the residents. I can imagine how they feel, you know, being that they're driving on the road every day. So a lot of 2 stories as well, 3 stories. So we're heading onto Platinum Avenue. And we have Sulphur Crescent to the left. And based on observation, I've seen a few empty lots as well. Not sure if they are, you know, community spaces, you know, recreational areas. But I guess if they were for sale, they would have been sold already for sure. So I guess they're just public areas. So we're at Nickel Close and Platinum Avenue intersection. Alright, and in front of us would be the main road that leads to, you know, Palmer's Cross and the Bay. So before the highway, so we have a mineralized sign right here. Welcome to Mineralites. So before the highway, this road on the right would have been the route that everybody would drive to Kingston, to Old Harbour. So that way has caused a lot of people not to drive on that road for a good while. So still in mineralized. This is the front of the scheme towards the Palmer's Cross Road on the right. And then to the front they have a gas station at the front, a plaza. So I'll let you guys see that as well. Here I would say is the front of the scheme, based on the different commerce businesses. So that's Regency Plaza in front of me. Let me go to the left first. I have Omar's Roti, that's a restaurant. The newly built gas station in front of me as well, very, very new. So this is a commerce area. And Regency Plaza on the left. So I'll just turn around right here. I have Paymaster, Sports Bar, Auto Parts. And still more empty area for more commercial developments. Then down this side you have a medical facility. You have doctor, laboratory, doctor pharmacy, doctor's office, sorry. There's also a new car mart down this side. And then there's another gas station being built. Texaco is not yet finished. I think it's finished, but they're still doing some work. Are probably in the final stages, so not fully finished. We also have the Millennium Mall. Did a video on that before, so I'll put the link in the description and in the comments for Millennium Mall, so you guys can see a more in-depth view of the Millennium Mall. I should do an update as well. So with the two new gas stations with Millennium Mall, you know, it has boosted a few other businesses in the area. For example, the car mart out here, this was never here before. So I guess they leased this space. They play netball on this surface sometime. You have cool windows, rental, so they do rental car washes out here as well. So that's about it, guys. Mineral Heights housing scheme, Maypen, Clarendon. Remember to leave your comments. Remember to like and share the video. Subscribe as well. And if you guys ever lived in Mineral Heights housing scheme, or is living there, or used to live there, anything at all, just let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching another video, and see you on another driving video as well.